Levoit and Dreo both land in that sweet spot where you get real comfort features without paying luxury brand prices, and that's why people cross-shop them so often. The tricky part is that which is better depends less on the logo and more on the way you actually use a humidifier day to day, how much you care about app control, and whether you want warm mist on tap. Here's what matters, and I'll keep it grounded in the stuff that changes your experience. Product range. How many choices you get. Levoit tends to give you more lanes to choose from because the brand's humidifier catalog is wide and includes multiple lines and styles. Even inside its smart ultrasonic category, you'll see clearly separated models like the Classic 300S for cool mist and the Oasis Mist 450S for warm and cool mist, which makes it easier to pick based on one big priority. Dreo's lineup feels more focused around smart ultrasonic humidifiers, where the difference is often the size, warm mist capability, and performance specs, rather than totally different families of products. Mist type, cool only versus warm and cool. If you already know you only want cool mist, Levoit's Classic 300S is built exactly for that and keeps the interface simple. If you want the option to run warm mist when the air feels extra dry, Levoit pushes you toward the Oasis Mist 450S, which is explicitly a warm and cool mist model. Dreo plays strongly in the warm plus cool space too, with models like the HM813S described as top fill and capable of both cool and warm mist. Let me explain why this matters. Warm mist can feel nicer in winter and can boost how quickly a room feels comfortable, but it usually costs more energy and adds complexity, so it's only worth it if you'll actually use it. Tank size and runtime, how often you refill. Levoit makes a very direct argument with the Classic 300S, a 6-liter tank and up to 60 hours on low mist, which is basically code for you can stop thinking about refills every day. The Oasis Mist 450S steps down to a 4.5-liter tank and is marketed at up to 45 hours on low mist, which still covers most people for multiple nights, just with a bit more refill frequency. On the Dreo side, the HM813S is positioned similarly to the Classic 300S on capacity and runtime, with a 6-liter tank and 60H runtime on its product listing. Bottom line, if low maintenance is your top requirement, the 6-liter class is where you want to live, and both brands clearly compete there. Smart control, apps, schedules, and voice assistants. Levoit's smart story is the V-Sync app, and on models like the Classic 300S, it's framed around remote control, scheduling, and voice assistant connection, with app-based adjustments when you don't feel like walking over to the unit. The Oasis Mist 450S leans into that same idea and adds more comfort polish, like customizing auto mode behavior and handling lighting options through the app. Dreo's approach is similar in the basics, but different in emphasis. Its HM813S listing calls out the Dreo app for real-time monitoring, up to 30 days of humidity tracking and cleaning reminders you can customize. If you love checking trends and dialing in a routine, Dreo's tracking angle may feel more hands-on, while Levoit's pitch is more about straightforward control plus a big installed ecosystem of these sync devices. Humidity sensing and precision. Levoit's Classic 300S includes auto mode that automatically adjusts mist to maintain a target humidity, and the product copy frames it as maintaining a comfortable range or a customized target. The Oasis Mist 450S also highlights humidity sensors and auto mode that responds to room changes and adjusts output to maintain your chosen percentage. Dreo gets more specific about accuracy, advertising ±5% humidity precision on the HM813S and describing it as more precise than traditional units, which is a very concrete promise if you care about staying close to one number. In real life, this feature matters most for people who wake up dry, have sensitive sinuses, keep wood instruments, or run plants that react when humidity swings. Mist distribution. Levoit's Oasis Mist 450S highlights practical physical control, like dual 360-degree nozzles so you can aim mist in two directions instead of blasting one corner of the room. It also markets high mist height and powerful mist output as the way it humidifies large rooms quickly and evenly. Dreo's HM813S leans into a different style of claim, focusing on mist wave distribution and a tall mist plume, including a 40-inch high mist description in at least one retail spec listing. Translation: Levoit is selling you aim and flexibility at the nozzle, while Dreo is selling you reach and dispersion mechanics. Aromatherapy, nice extra or annoying gimmick? Levoit makes aromatherapy a core expected feature on models like the classic 300S, where you add essential oils to an aroma pad for fragrant mist. The Oasis Mist 450S similarly supports aromatherapy, again centered on adding oils to an aroma pad and treating it like part of the comfort ritual. Dreo also plays here, and the HM813S listing highlights a dual aroma pad tray designed to switch between scents. If you already use essential oils, Dreo's dual tray sounds convenient. If you don't, both brands effectively treat aromatherapy as optional, not a requirement to get good humidity. Noise and sleep use. Levoit's Oasis Mist 450S manual calls out a lowest noise level under 26 decibels on low cool mist, and that kind of spec usually correlates with it fades into the background. Dreo's HM813S is described in a product listing with a maximum noise level of 28 decibels, and the brand also mentions a sleep mode that turns off lights and reduces noise. Both brands understand the bedside use case, and both push sleep-friendly modes that dim lights and dial down output. The practical difference tends to show up less in the marketing number and more in whether the tank design gurgles during refill cycles and whether the display lights can truly go dark. So it's worth checking owner feedback once you've narrowed to a specific model. So, how to choose without overthinking it? Choose Levoit if you want a big catalog to pick from and you like the V-Sync approach. Clear models, predictable features, and strong set-it-and-forget-it behavior through auto mode on popular units like the classic 300S and Oasis Mist 450S. Choose Dreo if you're drawn to detailed performance framing, especially the explicit ±5% precision claim, app-based humidity history tracking, and the emphasis on high-reach mist distribution on models like the HM813S. If you tell me your room size and whether you want warm mist, I can point you to the closest one-to-one match on each side and explain the trade-off in plain terms.